Welcome to our video on what to do if you have a leak alarm. This video is a step-by-step guide on what to do if you have 2 red flashes and 2 beeps coming from your valve control every 30 seconds. The first thing to do is press the water off button, as this will mute the alarm but still leave your water safely off until the issue is resolved. Then you need to investigate where the leak has occurred. This can either be some leak detection tape attached to the wireless transmitter or some leak detection tape directly connected to the valve control. If the leak alert has come from a wireless transmitter, then this will also be beeping. This indicates that the leak detection tape that is attached is wet and requires investigation. To stop the wireless transmitter from alarming, you would disconnect the leak detection tape from the wireless transmitter. This is a simple jack plug about 6 inches from the white box. If there are no transmitters alarming and the cause of the alert is from the leak detection tape directly connected to your main control box, simply disconnect the jack from the far left or L port on the main control unit. Once you are happy that the incident has been resolved, either because it was accidental or the leak has been repaired/isolated, you can then safely turn your water back on. This is simply done by pressing the water on button. The leak detection tape should be left to dry for 24 to 48 hours, and then please remember to reconnect this to either the wireless transmitter or the valve control box. If the system alarms again straight away, then the leak detection tape may still need slightly longer to dry. Thank you for watching. If you have any other queries, please look at the other videos available on our YouTube channel or check our support page at www.leaksafe.com.